SolarCycle was founded to push the limits of solar energy for charging USB devices during harsh outdoor activities. Solarpad Pro is designed to be the lightest, most powerful 5-watt solar USB charger for ultralight backpackers and thru hikers who need to save every ounce of weight without sacrificing performance.
The original 5-star rated Solarpad survived the John Muir Trail, was used for a solar fashion project, and was used for tent lighting. But now, the brand new Solarpad Pro is even slimmer than before, more durable, and weighs just 4.3 ounces. On clear sunny days, you can charge your phone directly from Solarpad Pro. There's no buttons. You just aim Solarpad Pro directly at the sun, plug in your phone, and start charging. Solarpad Pro uses ETFE lamination and sun power cells for maximum power output that lasts 20 years. Be sure to always keep your phone in the shade while it charges. A full phone charge from empty takes about 3 to 4 hours. Make sure Solarpad Pro is attached near the top of the backpack for maximum solar power. The USB port is located in the center of the panel, which keeps the USB charge cable protected from rain and prevents snagging. Just plug Solarpad Pro to a USB battery bank to store a charge during the day, and use the charged up battery at night. Leaving a battery out in the sun can damage it, so keep the solar panel in the sun and the battery in the shade or in a bag. For camping, attach Solarpad Pro to the outside of the tent and route the USB cable inside the tent to charge batteries, phones, lights, and other USB devices. If Solarpad Pro gets wet, don't worry because it's water resistant. Enjoy the outdoors. Whether you're camping or hiking, Solarpad Pro has you covered for your off-grid USB charging needs. Thank you for your support.